This Hofacker Associates Incorporated property video is presented by Bill Dudley Jr. Charming affordable home in North Street. Pete. White picket fence marks the spot. Newer flooring, central heat and air installed 2013. A new roof was installed in January 2021. Large lot with alley access. Large wood deck and firepit under the oak shade tree. It has an eat-in kitchen with a built-in microwave. There is a nice Florida room as well. Off the kitchen is a small bonus room perfect for a computer workstation. This is a great home to earn some sweat equity. Come see this gem and make it your own. Sold as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Bill Dudley Jr. at 727-527-7373 extension 116.